Janata Yuva Morcha, which was the fear of the entire India that after this new government will come, definitely attacks will happen. That is happening. It has happened at Lucknow, where the ruling party, being in the ruling party also, they have behaved like hooligans, which is so unfortunate. In this form of democracy, where we have seen that there is freedom of speech and expression, but unfortunately the ruling party tries to mishandle these issues, and which is why the Congress party has always been fearing that Bharatiya Janata Party should not be coming into power. And one should remember that out of 100%, Bharatiya Janata Party has been voted only by the 31%. And it is a minority government, though it claims to be a majority government. There is an anger within people. There is a anguish also that Bharatiya Janata Party is increasing the fare hike and all this. But at the same time, this party today, its voices are speaking against Sai Baba, and they are also speaking about secularism, but at the same time there are attacks being happened on different religions in different states. And what has happened in Lucknow is so unfortunate, because media is one strong pillar of this constitution which protects and safeguards the interests of the citizens of this country. But attacking media channels and attacking the reporters and attacking their vehicles is against the freedom of press, and Mr. Narendra Modi ji, who is the Prime Minister, should condemn this issue, and all those people who have participated in such a heinous crime should be arrested immediately, and action should be taken against all of them, because one should understand that media has the privilege and has been protecting the rights and safeguards the liberties of the constitution and the citizens also, and any attack on the media and the media channels is attacking the voice of the voiceless, and at immediate effect all these people should be taken into custody. And it is the responsibility of the Bharatiya Janata Party for taking up such kind of acts by taking weapons onto the streets and showing that what has happened in Lucknow will happen tomorrow in every state in front of every resident. And today Congress party condemns that act, and if such kind of acts continue to happen, then definitely we will wage up democratic protests and see that freedom of press and freedom of speech and expression is continued in this country.